Welcome back. It's Naya Mac. Alright, guys, so as you saw in the title, we are doing a reset for the new year 2024. I feel like I needed to make this video because I feel like I am not in the right direction to a new year. I feel like I'm still at the beginning of 2023. Like, everything is behind. My room is just unorganized. I need and want to get new books. Jeju, she needs a whole makeover and she needs food. Jeju's my lizard. I don't think I ever introduced her. I got fall candles. I'm planning on buying more, but not in this video. But I'm going to show you guys that. Like, there's just things we need to do and we're going to be productive. And then also, I finally got a new camera. You know what? I don't freaking care if I only got 5 videos on my YouTube channel. I don't care. Quality it just means a lot to me because right now this lighting is doing great, but in other areas of my room it's like okay. And then when I go out, it's like I feel like the iPhone just has trouble focusing. I finally got a new camera and I won't tell you what it is yet because I'm about to do the unboxing after I show you guys what new books I got and received from family members and how I feel about them. And then we're gonna do the camera unboxing that I'm so excited about because I haven't opened it yet. Like, it came in 2 days ago. I wanted to open it for this video. Ooh! Okay, so first I'm going to start off with the book I was reading in this video. So the book I was reading was this one. It is called, it's called Ensnared, sorry.
That is not correct.
So this is a trilogy and I had to rent out the books from a local library to read those books before this because apparently we own this book and I didn't even know till we come across it like in the junk in our attic. And I was like, ooh, this looks interesting. But basically this is a trilogy and it is basically a spin-off of Alice in Wonderland. I think that's how far I'm gonna get. It's a spin-off of Alice in Wonderland, but it's like more not for kids, and that's what I like. Like, it's more for adults, not in an inappropriate way, but it's more gore-ish. And again, it's like a spin-off and a twist to it, and it's actually really cool, and I really love that book. It's more gore, it's more vocabulary for adults. These are the pile of books that I just received from my mom, given from my aunt. So all these books are by the same author. I don't know why I'm holding it like this. I could have did this better. It's by J.D. Robb or Robe. I don't know. I need to go back to school. All these books are by J.D. Robb, and based on reading her books, she sounds like a pretty good artist. I haven't read her books, but based on reading like the summary on the back of the books, they're really good. But the only thing that did concern me when I read over these books is that they all contain death. I don't know if she's okay, but all her books literally have death in the title, and I'm holding 6 right here. But I am planning on read them, and if y'all do want like a, I guess, review on them, I will definitely let you know. But I could read one right here to just give you like a taste of what it is. So basically it says, death follows New York City cop Eve Dallas everywhere, even on her honeymoon with Irish lover Rorke. When one of Rorke's employees is found dead, the post-mortem confirms suicide, an isolated case, or so Eve thinks. But more suicides follow, strangers with nothing in common. The pathologist report states each victim has an unexplained mark on their brain. Is this a genetic abnormality? Oh my God, abnormality. Or a high-tech method of murder? With the body count rising, Eve must delve into the world of virtual reality to hunt down a twisted killer, a killer who preys on the minds of innocents. So this sounds good as a motherfucker. I don't know what the other books are going to be about, but I think they're all connected because, again, they all have death in it. Again, is she okay? Yeah, that's all my books. And I wanted to also mention that I soon want to start the Twilight series books because I've never read them. I was only a movie lover back then when the movie came out. But now I actually want to read the series because people say it was better. And I was like, okay, how better is it? And I'm willing to read it. So if y'all have like any intel on that, if I should do it or if I shouldn't, and the movie is better, let me know and comment below. Oh my god, I am ecstatic. Okay, I'm done talking. I'm ready to get into this box. All right, oh my, like, it is here. Drum roll please on the camera. Whatever y'all, yeah. Did it. Okay. Okay. Ta-da! It is, if you guessed it right, it is the Sony, okay, there it is. It is the Sony ZV-1F. Now, I'm happy I purchased this camera because for my first camera, I thought this was appropriate, but from what I've been seeing on YouTube and the reviews on this, people are not speaking too good on it. But however, you can make that judgment because after this video, I'm going to be filming on this camera. That is crazy to say, but this will be my 2024. This will be my glow up from what I'm using right now. Now, from what I'm using right now, it's my phone. It doesn't look bad because of the lighting, sure. But when you see me in other places, it's just the focusing, the lighting. The iPhone has trouble with that, and I just don't like that. I feel like in my house, I may stick with my iPhone, but outside, I may stick with my Sony ZV-1F, not ZV-1. So I'm cheap. I bought this camera off Mercari. This dude was doing a bundle, so he gave me the camera with all the stuff coming with it, along with a case. The case, I think in here, he has like a mini tripod for holding, and it's also mobile, it's portable because of how tiny it is, which is really appreciated because I did get a new tripod and it is not really travel friendly. It's kind of big, but it comes with a microphone in there, all the little accessories, and then he also gave me a SIMs card that's 128 gigabytes, and that was a deal. And guess how much I got all this for? Again, I'm cheap. I got all this for, oh, and then it came with a battery charger. So it did come with the batteries as well. And it came with 5 batteries. 5 mother-freaking batteries. So I got all this, charger, 5 batteries, 128 gigabyte SIMs card, the camera, a mini tripod, the microphone that comes with it already, and I think that's about it. I got all of that for $250. $250. So that's a deal. All right, so I'm not gonna get into it with my camera with setting it up. I think that I'm gonna do that for another video. So then I guess I lied that my next video won't be with this camera yet. But I think I'll do that with another video, set up everything. But I'm just making sure I do have everything so I could leave a review for him. Because again, Mercari's set up different. You need to leave a review so the person can get paid, but I need to make sure I have everything. So if I don't, it's gonna have to be a return, you know? Oh, and then I forgot it came with this adapter. So I feel like all of this was a really good price and a really good snatch. Okay, guys, I said I wasn't gonna go through everything, but I just gotta show you the camera. Like, this is legit. I have been waiting to get a camera for myself with YouTube, and this is like it's right here, and I don't know how to act. I'm gonna just open it. Oh my god, I love the size. And people say it's light, but I don't even know what's considered heavy for a vlogging camera, but it flips like this. I'm in love. I am truly in love. Okay, all right, we're moving on. Okay. Before we get started for the day with shopping and just doing other things to get me ready and prepped for fall, because there's just so much more to do and I need to hurry up. But anyway, I wanted to show you the stuff I bought from Bath and Body Works when they were having their Black Friday sale, because I bought scents specifically for fall and going on into winter for new scents into my room. Let's try different things. So I'm sure you already saw because I'm like waving it around. So the first scent is Luminous. This one smells so freaking good. Let me try to explain it to you. Oh my god, like it smells warm and it has like a hint of berry and fruit. Okay, so let me just read the fragrances. Ruby
Currant, Gilded Iris, Praline Amber.
Whatever those mean. Anyway, it's like a warm fruity scent and I just love, like, it's giving classy, and this just smelled amazing. And I got this for $4.95 when they were having their deal. And I also got the Cozy Vanilla Bourbon scent. This one is warm as well. I love warm scents, and that's kind of what I was going for when I did shop at Bath and Body Works, to find like new things to try. But this one, you could literally smell like what's in the title. Like you could smell the bourbon, you can smell the vanilla, like it's coming through, and it's really, really nice. It's like a nice variant of getting like vanilla bean or anything else vanilla scented at Bath and Body Works. And then I also have the Dark Kiss Mist. This one is really nice too. Hold on, let me remind myself what it smells like. This one's more fresh. It's not really warm, but it's like more of a fresh, sexy scent. Like I really, really like this. I don't even know really how to explain it, because when y'all smell this, you'll probably be like, what is she talking about? But it's giving sexy, and I really like this in fresh. This right here is very nice. It says the notes in it is black raspberry, burgundy rose, bergamot, incense, dark vanilla bean, and plum musk. So it does have that vanilla bean in there, but I'm not giving much of that, but it is, I could say, pretty warm. These are Heaven, and these are the new ones I'm trying. And then I also got a Coconut Bliss. I got this from Marshall's, and it reminds me of the Victoria's Secret one that is Coconut Passion. I'm trying to be like Victoria's Secret, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, so now I have my candles for the month. I have at least 4 I'm showing, I believe. Yeah, 4. So this right here is coconut sugar. And I hate that I'm even showing this because I think they discontinued this product, because I tried searching it up. I got this from a thrift store. So I tried searching up online to see if I could order more, and it was not coming up, and it's by True Living. So I was like, dang. So I literally purchased 2, because these smell so good. These are warm too. It has a hint of coconut, then it has like that sweet smell. Like lately I've been liking coconut, and this smells so good. It's like a warm coconut scent. And following behind that, when I went to Bath and Body Works, I purchased the Snowy Coconut Frost. This one smells so close to this, but it's more strong. The Bath and Body Works one is more strong, and this one is light, and that's what I like, because if I don't want too much of a scent in my room, I'll do this. But if I really want it coming through, or if I have guests over, I'll do this one. So I love the coconut, like, favorite. Next, of course, this is just a norm scent for me that I get, and it is called Vanilla Patchouli. This will forever be a favorite. I love this scent so much, and I'm sure it's popular, so I don't really have to explain it. But again, it has that warm scent. Like, I'm a warm lover. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla mixed with rose, and that's just what it's given. I will forever be a fan of this. I'm not looking at the camera. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's all for the candles, or all the scents that I've got from Bath and Body Works, and that one candle that was from True Living. But those are my fall/winter scents. Alright, you guys, we are at Target. I'm not gonna be in here for that long because I only came here to get 2 items, So I'm also probably not even gonna record. I'm gonna just show you what I'm getting, and then after Target we are going straight to PetSmart. I think we're doing pretty good with time, maybe, because it's 2:40 right now, and I have somewhere to be at 5:30. And then I feel like we're not even halfway done with this video, because I was supposed to be organizing and cleaning out my room and closet, and now it is 2 something. Okay, so obviously this is a different day. It's actually 2 days out, because the last recording I had was on Friday and today is Sunday. So there's explanation to that, and I'm gonna say it quick so we can get on with the video. But after Clean Juice, me and my sister had to go to a jiu-jitsu class, and then after that, my best friend invited me to go see airplanes, and I couldn't deny. So I just decided to court the next day. But the next day, which was Saturday, which was yesterday, my mom invited me to work out. I was like, cool, yeah, let's do it. We did that. I can't remember what time we ended, but after that, I decided to edit a video. Then I decided to go to the grocery store. Then I did a little bit of procrastination, and then it got too late for me to actually do the organization of my room because it needs to be done. We are about to get that done. And I just decided to save it for this day. So now we're on Sunday and we're about to get started with this. I'm just gonna start by first cleaning my room, because my room, it's not that bad, but it's like the bed needs to be made. Like, I just got up and got ready and did my makeup. But after that, we're gonna do the closet. But I feel like my room should just be clean, because my closet is so freaking congested to where I feel like if I did that and my room was still messy, I would be stressing out. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up my room, get it presentable. I got like a whole basket of clothes. It's like somewhere over there, you can't see it, but I gotta do my clothes. And then after that, we're gonna declutter my closet, organize it. And then also I have to go through winter clothes, because I still got summer clothes out, and those need to get packed up, because I need bundle. I have no meat to do just walking around here in a crop top. I need my vest, I need a coat, I need fuzzy pajama pants. Like, we gotta get this rolling, because it's already almost in the middle of December, which is crazy. Alright, you guys, I finished cleaning my room. Definitely a big difference. And we're just not gonna talk about the stains on the carpet. But my room is finally clean, and next will be the closet. But this is gonna bother me until I finish my closet, because while I was doing my clothes, I was thinking about if I'm about to go through my winter clothes and I still have summer clothes out, why would I put the summer clothes out if I need to go through them and I would just have to pull them all out again? And I just thought that didn't make sense to me. So I decided to leave just all my clothes on my bed, folded nicely. It looks kind of sloppy. I don't know why it look kind of sloppy, but they are folded. I'm kind of sad that it's raining right now. Ooh, Naya. I'm kind of sad that it's raining right now, but I love the rain. Like, I would choose rain any day if I'm inside, because I absolutely love this weather. I don't know if it'll focus, but it is overcast and it is raining. But I was planning on like cleaning the headlights off my car because they look old and rusted. They just need a good sand in and a good shine to them so I can also see better at night. So I was planning on doing that today because I did get LED light bulbs for my car, but it is raining, so we're just gonna have to save that. Speaking of car stuff, my Shein package just came in. I don't know if y'all like watched my last video. If you're new here, what happened was there was a situation going on with my car and it was taking forever to get fixed, so I couldn't drive it, so I didn't pay much attention to it. But now that I can drive it, I decided to get decorations for my car so I can decorate it. So I'm excited about that, and my Shein package just came in. So there will definitely be a video on that, on decorating my car. So stay tuned for that. So you guys, I'm gonna show you what my closet looks like before we even get started. So I got like a whole bunch of stuff up there. I don't know if I'm gonna get to it, but eventually I do, because that clear container y'all saw in the middle of my video, I want to put that up here because those are items that I'm selling, and I don't want it on my floor anymore because I want to get as much space on my floor as possible. But down here is definitely the target. So right here is like a whole bunch of pillowcases and sheets that I need to wash, and then I just need to wash clothes over here. Then I got like so many jeans in the back, like those were all folded, but it's just a whole pile of jeans because I've been shopping a lot. So I need to make sure I still want everything in that pile. But anyway, I got a whole bunch of boxes that I use to sell items, and I want to figure out where to put those. I probably won't be able to, but going deeper back here, there's a if I could show it, oh my god, there's like a clear plastic suction bag. I can't even really see, you'll see it in the video, but it's all the way back there, and that consists of my winter things that I put back there. So I just wanted to show you all before I get started. Alright, you guys, I am hot. You saw that I changed my apparel. I am hot, but I went through my closet, I emptied out everything, and while I was doing that, I just realized something that will make me not be able to actually go through my winter clothes this time. But I just realized that my hamper, I still have a pile of dirty clothes that I need to get washed, and those clothes comprise of summer clothes, so it wouldn't make sense to go through my winter clothes, put my summer clothes in the bag, suck up the air out the bag, airtight, and store it again when I still have summer clothes out. So I am going to hold off on that. However, I'm still going to clean out my closet, fold up my pants, make it look neat. And then after that, I'm going to wash some clothes so I can be able to do that very, very soon. And I don't know if I'm gonna record myself doing it, but either way, it just has to get done. Like, it's almost winter and this is not making sense. I'm gonna do my clothes, clean up all of this, figure out where I'm gonna put it, and go from there. You guys, I'm finally done with my closet, and this is the finishing look. And oh my god, the voice cracked. This is the final look, and it looks 10 times better. I put all my boxes back there, and they were first on the ground, and I'm about to show you guys that next. But this is how the top looks. It looks a lot better. That clear bin is right there. It's no longer over here, but there's some stuff right there, but I'm about to hand that in a sec. But the shoes are more straightened. It is clean, nothing on the floor. And then I'm about to wash like a whole bunch of clothes so I can finally go through my fall clothes. My jeans look a lot better. They are zipped into the back how it's supposed to be. And the jeans that you did see me putting on the side, some of those are shorts, and I'm going to be adding those to my winter clothes when I go through them, or my summer clothes when I finally go through my winter clothes. This is the look, and I am definitely satisfied. Alright, you guys, I'm finally done with my room. It is looking good and clean. I feel like I'm still not done with a few things, but it's better than how it was before. Like, I feel more decluttered and more organized, and it is a great feeling. I wish I could do more in this video, but due to the situation with me needing to wash clothes, I couldn't get to decluttering for, not decluttering, but switching out my summer clothes with my winter clothes. And then also, since it rained today, I couldn't get outside to scrub my car a little bit, the headlights, so I could have like a clear or a greater shine at nighttime, because it has like a crusted film on it. But I'm actually gonna make like more videos like this, because I actually realized that I got a lot done and I normally don't throughout the day. But I guess since I was recording, I was more motivated, because there's still like a lot of things I need to do that I have not done yet. If you stayed to the end of the video, I want to say thank you for supporting my channel, and go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.